What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that this week might be crucial for Tesla for upcoming year. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this asset had a quite good movement to the upside, and I have to say that I caught almost the entire movement. I made 3 calls from the very beginning of 2023. First of all was right here at the ranges below $110, and from this range to our price target we gained about 65% of potential profit. Then the second call was from this point, and from this point we gained about 41% of potential profit. And the third call was made right after they published their earnings report, and from this point we gained about 13% of potential profit. So definitely very good achievement in a matter of just several weeks. And I have to say that my technical analysis is quite accurate on Tesla, and my win rate on Tesla is more than 70 to 75%. I will put the link on the video that proves my words, and you can find it in the description below or on your top right corner, and that's why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So I completely missed the last leg to the upside that brought about 20%, less than 20% to its value. And right now my main assumption is still the same. I think we have to see lower price targets, and in my technical analysis I will show you why I think so. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you first of all this news. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on February 27th, and it says Tesla Investor Day, 3 things to watch. And you all know that this Wednesday it will be an investor day in Gigafactory in Austin, and there are 3 main topics that we should know right after this event. First of all, it is Tesla's long-term expansion plans, and let me quote it for you. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently said his long-term goal for Tesla is to produce 20 million cars a year by 2030. And definitely it is a very ambitious goal, and to reach this goal they have to make a lot of upgrades. First of all, they have to build more gigafactories, and most likely on this investor day we will see the information about their new plant, and definitely we have 3 possible locations. One of them is the Mexico, second one is Canada, and third one is Indonesia. And probably we might see even all 3 locations that will be disclosed, or probably we might see even more locations which might be the future gigafactories. On top of that, let me show you that on this investor day Elon Musk should disclose the plans on their mass market model, and let me quote you this. This Generation 3 platform will likely be Tesla's cheaper robotaxi car, as Musk has called it, and will be a key to mass volume expansion of Tesla's cars and EVs globally in general. The price might be in between $25,000 to $30,000, and it will be a real game changer in the field of EV manufacturers. So, and let me show you the third main point that might be disclosed on this investor day. Third one is the Musk's Master Plan 3, and let me quote it for you. When invites went out last month, Tesla fans and investors were speculating there would be more to this event than a capital allocation plans and long-term expansion. And Musk confirmed as much, proclaiming that he would indeed reveal his upcoming Master Plan 3. And here is the screenshot of the Twitter that was made by Elon Musk, and he wrote, Master Plan 3, the path to a fully sustainable energy future for Earth, will be presented on March 1st. The future is bright. And let me quote you further. The main bullet points of this master plan will be definitely their alternative divisions of Tesla. One of them is the solar power, and the second one the storage of energy. And definitely without these two divisions we will not, and basically Tesla will not achieve their goals, because electric vehicles should be cleaner than they are right now, because a lot of energy for electric vehicles right now made out of the fossil fuel, and we have to switch it to renewable energy. And this is the only reason how we can achieve this, and this is the only leader, in my opinion, on the market right now that can do it in the next several years. So definitely it is a very good anticipation, and because of these major updates we have what we have. We have this harsh movement to the upside. And let me show you that Elon Musk again became the richest person in the world. And definitely this news was also made by this movement to the upside. And I have to say that if I switch to the daily time frame, as you can see, this movement to the upside from the very beginning of January 2023 has extremely high volume compared to other volumes. And this means this might be the range of about $105, might be the lowest point for the entire retracement for the greater cycle of this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect from the price action? I have to say that my main assumption back in the days was that we should see some retracement about 2 or even 3 weeks ago, because in my opinion I thought we should unload the structure, and on the investors day we might see the catalyst that should drive this asset higher, that will break the previous swing high. But instead of this, we have this extremely high volume that pushes the price to the upside, and this volume doesn't allow the price action to go below the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level if I pull this tool from this swing low to this swing high. And this retracement is extremely shallow. We have to see deeper retracement in order to collect more steam to hit higher targets. If this asset will go higher from this current range without deeper retracement, we will not hit higher targets. We will again establish higher highs on the price action with the lower highs on indicator, and this will confirm the bearish divergence on a daily time frame, and this will lead to lower and longer retracement. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, in a matter of just 2 days we will see some fluctuations right around the current price target, but right after Investors Day probably we will see the decrease in its price, because in my opinion right now we are at the spot where we have to be very cautious, and in my opinion buy the rumors, sell the news is the most up-to-date phrase that we can say right now, and in my opinion we have to be cautious because of this. So what are the levels where we might land? Definitely the levels are still the same. Let me show you in details. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point to its highest point, we have following levels. 0.236 in my opinion should be broken. Next one is 0.382 at the price point of $173.35. Next one is 0.5, it is $159.66, and the golden pocket range. And why I think we might hit even these low price targets? First of all, it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and on top of that we have this gap in the range in between $148.13 all the way up to $154.65. And from the technical standpoint this gap should be filled, and because of this I think we might see this quite low price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. We still have a possibility to hit lower targets. That's why we have to be very cautious despite any news that will be disclosed on Investors Day. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up.